Alright guys, so today I'm gonna do unboxing of the Logitech G430. It's a surround sound gaming headset. So it's good. I need it for the mic, talking, and also for sound. This is the cheapest gaming headset that you can get. I got it from Amazon for only $30, and this is just as good. So if you want like better, I think you can find better, but this is affordable gaming headset. So it has a performance cloth ear cups and removable for cleaning, and this one is lightweight design, lets you play comfortably for hours. And the mic, folding noise cancelling mic, folding noise cancelling mic, so it's gonna cancel noise on the background, which I really needed because if I were to do any commentary on video editing and so on, I would need that. So it has a 7.1 surround sound using Dolby and DTS headphone X technology. And so this is the headphone right here inside. As you can see, that's the mic sticking out. And so let's see how to open this. So I open from here. Probably so it has some sticker on the side here. I'll cut around. Okay, leave that on the other side. Okay, so let's take the box out here. Ta-da! So that's pretty big for your ears. If you have big ears, it will fit. So that's the G430 right here, and it's really affordable for you. So if you guys want to do gaming or listening to music, I want to test how it sounds like. Okay, I got it to open on this side, so let's do the other side here. Let's stick. So it has a glue here. I'm gonna take it out like this. Oh, okay. So it has this. I need to take out this wire here. To take those out here too. So make sure you untwist those before you open it. Otherwise you can break. Okay, so take it out from the box. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. So this comes out here like that. And yes, 1, 2, 2, and then so you have those wire. So this is not a wireless. If you were looking for a wireless headset, then you would have to pay a little bit more. Okay, so this can like just adjust around, and you can just pull this to adjust the height. If you have a big head, then this would be good for you. So how far it can go here, like that. Cool. And the mic just comes down like this. It's really soft. Look at that. Just come out just right in front of you, right? So you don't have, you cannot, can you tilt? No, you cannot tilt. It just go up and down like this. Cool. Okay, so you have here on the other end here two. So one is for the audio out and audio in. Audio in, yeah. So that's for the, you can hear, and this is the mic right here, and that's the volume control here. You can see volume control. Feels a little bit cheap, but you know, for this is the microphone mute right here. Okay, so you can clip to somewhere here. That's a clipper. The manual here, let's see. So it has, oh, it has another thing right here. You can plug, oh, you can plug, oh, okay, so you can plug this. Let me get this out of the way. So you can plug this, let's see. You can plug this to your USB, and you can plug these two inside here, so you don't have to plug and occupy the headphone and the mic port. Just do like this. Ta-da! The cables feels a little bit thin to me right here, but this one is okay. Not like my mouse here. My mouse here is pretty thick. That's a Logitech as well mouse. And cool. So I got this blue and blue right there, and my RGB here keyboard. So you can extend it. Let's see the manual right here. So let's say, so it says to, okay, so that's a headset, volume control, removable earpads, USB audio adapter, and first setup, that's what I did. So plug it in, go to Logitech support G430, plug in your USB, start G430 software for best performance. Then you can change the head, so you have a equalizer here from the software. So one is a headset microphone volume, bass and treble control, advanced equalizer. Number 3. Number 4 is reset EQ settings. Number 5, turn on advanced EQ. Okay, so just play around. You can also have surround sound settings here. It's neat. Earpad removal. How do you remove this? Replacement. Just pull like this. Okay. Washing. Once removed, the earpads can be hand wash. Oh, you can hand wash this, which is pretty cool if you're sweating. It's a hot summer and just playing too long. Press a soft towel, allow air to dry. Okay. So, okay, this is in French. So that's it. Just go to the support, and then we're gonna plug that and try on website to download the software for my G430 headset here, gaming headset, and I'm gonna go and find G type 430. Okay, surround sound gaming headset, and okay, here it is. So it has some manual here, and then I'm gonna find G35 here. That's not mine, so I'm gonna click on more and see what's more. So G surround sound headset. Okay, so I go to downloads here. I'm gonna go download for Windows 10. So if you have different operating system, just choose the one that you have that is compatible. And I see that's a firmware update, last update for okay, I think mine is later than that, so I'm gonna do a 64-bit here download, and let's just it's downloading right now here, so let's just wait until it's finished downloading, then we're gonna install. So the mic, and then we can control with different settings for the equalizer here. Okay, just run. Can I install that? While we're installing, just watch my keyboard, RGB keyboard. It's changing color randomly right here. It's so cool. Okay, click yes. Welcome and thank you. Next. Please wait while your software is installed. Okay, so let's see what it's got to offer here, because it has a surround sound. As you can see, the fabric here. It's soon in, and this is leather a little bit on the side here, fake leather maybe. then it's kind of squishy and soft. So your wonder if it's noise cancelling. It has this on top too, right? And it has a serial number on the bottom of this. So okay, so your software is okay. Just finish. It's so, once I install, I'm gonna launch the Logitech gaming software. Welcome to the team. Audio visualizer, screen sampler. Okay, so screen sampler. What's the difference between these two? I'm gonna do audio visualizer. Oh, okay. Just speaker. Okay, so that's not what I wanted. Okay, so the gaming software is here. Launch the applet when LG starts. Never launch. Okay, never launch. So what's this? It's an overall home. Oh, that's a Logitech. Okay, I don't have that. It's a G430 right here. Update. Last checked. Okay. Okay, it's gonna do an update for my LG G430 right here. No, I'm not gonna restart again. Okay, oh, you can choose very different device. Okay, here, and then choose here for the audio equalizer, microphone, way up, volume a little bit up. Bass, I like bass. I like bass a lot. Okay, gonna put that more. Automatic microphone noise removal. Okay, let's do that. So this is pretty cool. So it's gonna remove noise on the background. The white noise. Surround sound. Okay. Do I need to surround sound? First person shooter DTS. Okay. Wow, cool. It has first person shooter. DTS super stereo front or wide. Okay. And that's, you can test it on your headphone. You can have different level here. If you choose that, it's now enabled. Headphone X. Okay, cool. So that's it. Let's try and test it out. Okay, let's try and test it out. Group chat clarity. Okay, critical update. Okay, let's do that. Do not unplug. There's steel plug right here. So cable a little bit, cable management a little bit everywhere. It would be nice if I have a Bluetooth, but this is just wanted to have a simple headset and a microphone. Unplug and replug. Okay, so okay, unplug it. Unplug and replug. What's gonna happen? I just unplug and replug to complete the firmware update. Please wait until the update has completed. Okay, please connect your device to continue here. I just plug it back in side. It's updating. Okay, just wait here. Successful, you have updated. Okay, great. Then I'm done. So let's try it out. Let's try something that is NCS. Okay, let's try that. I'm gonna put the sound here. Okay, it's connected to gaming headset, and I'm gonna do 10. I don't know if you can hear. I'm doing an NCS, most popular music here. Now you can hear. So I'm gonna play NCS music, and is there a right side and a left side to this? I think if this is coming out like this, so I'm supposedly to wear it this way. I feel like it's pretty white. I'm gonna lower this down a little bit so it grabs. This is better. Cool. Okay, just play that. Wow, the bass, I can hear the bass. Cool, right? Can you hear me? Cool. You can see it fits right here. Pretty cool. I'm gonna let so I kind of feel inside is it doesn't fit your ear. It's pretty big inside. The cushion is okay, but I mean it's alright, you know, for affordable gaming headset here. So this is gonna be pretty cool when I test my mic. I wanna test the mic later. So if you guys like this review, please give a thumbs up and see you guys on the next video.